All right, my hair's messed up from the lake, but welcome to the second video. We're in Butte, Montana for the fireworks, and we are at the Asia Buffet with the kids here. And this is where Ryan Trahan went. And so we're gonna go in and check out the place Ryan Trahan went. Let's check it out. We're here just driving around before fireworks. We have a few minutes, and an elk came out of the brush. I don't think I got a great shot. I'll post a picture of the brush, but I don't think I got the shot, man. All right, we'll see what I got. Out here getting ready for the fireworks show, and we had a couple city deer show up. So, got a quick picture, and Ray Ray's over here lighting a strobe. Okay, fireworks will be starting here. It's getting darker. I just switched lenses and went to the 24mm lens so that we can get some beautiful photos of the fireworks coming up. A little stormy tonight, look at that. All right, guys, I'm out here, and look at this alone. Look at this. Phenomenal. Let me get a picture. Unbelievable. Beautiful.